my progress of my plantation time, that is nature aquarium. So this is a 1 month progress, you can see. So carpet has started growing, so you can see. So I have planted some plants in my aquarium, so I'll let you know the names. So in the front it is carpet, you can see this is the carpet. This is known as a Styrobin ripon. This all are Styrobin ripon. Sorry for the pronunciation. The pronunciation is quite difficult, but this is Styrobin ripon carpet. So then on the rock you can see this is Anubias gold coin. This is an Anubias gold coin, and you can see this one. This is Hydrocotyle taripata. This Hydrocotyle taripata. So over here, these are the runners. These are Ranunculus. This is Ranunculus inundatus. So you can see the Ranunculus over here. Inundatus. This is Ranunculus inundatus. The Ranunculus inundatus. We are at the behind, that is Hydrocotyle Valley. So it's growing. You can see the new leaves are coming. So this portion is surrounded by Hydrocotyle Valley. Then on the rock you can see the small plant which is growing, that is Hygrophila Pinnatifida. This one Hygrophila Pinnatifida, and over here also you can see this Hygrophila Pinnatifida. This portion, then this portion. This is Hygrophila Pinnatifida. So this is also Anubias gold coin, a small plant. So you can see the hair grass. These are the runners. These are the hair grass. See, you can see this all are hair grass. Starts from here. Over here you can see. See, this all are hair grass. So in the behind you can see backside of the rock, the small plant is growing. So that is Hygrophila erectus. So this is Hygrophila erectus. See this one. It's only one plant, so the growth is very slow. And this you can see it's a red portion, that is Hygrophila Pink. This one. So this portion is covered by Hygrophila Pink. So nearly I have planted 9 varieties of plant in my aquarium, in my nature aquarium. Alright, so basically I have 3 variety of plant which is related to tissue culture. So that are hair grass, Then the other one, it is Hygrophila Pinnatifida. Then the next one, it is Pogostemon erectus. So these three plants are tissue culture plant. So what is tissue culture? Tissue culture is nothing but the plants which are grown in the lab, in the laboratory. So that is tissue culture plants. So this is the 1 month progress report of my nature aquarium plant. So let's see, we'll wait for 1 or 2 months, then we'll start with the we'll flooding up the tank, this tank, with the water. So all you have to know, you have to keep patience for this. Lot of patience you should have. So please let me know your thoughts and inputs. Did you like my nature aquarium about the my 1 month progress? Just let me know, and just comment in my description box and just let me know. Thank you so much, and keep watching my videos and keep subscribing my channel. Alright guys, thank you so much.